Hey, you guys even stuck around for the cleanup. Well, since you're here, you want to come along and learn about the dump? I'll show you the part that other YouTubers don't show you, how to get rid of the old crap. So if you want to come along, stick with me. I'll show you. If you've never been to a landfill, it's exciting, it's fun, and you don't have to put it down by your trash and hope they take it. Or dump it in someone's backyard or on their farm. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. I'm going to show you how to take this stuff to the dump. Just let me get this all loaded, and I'll load you in the car and we'll go along.
This pressure-treated wood isn't safe to burn or toss in the yard. It's full of preservatives that can poison the soil, and taking it to the landfill means it's contained and handled the right way. That's why I prefer to do this than to leave it in the back of my property. Make sure you load everything and tie it down. I used some cardboard and some old tarps that I had to lay over top of the wood to make sure it doesn't blow out or fall off. Then I used some ratchet straps to hold it down. You don't want anything flying off and hitting someone else's car.
Alright, let's head to the dump.
Alright, we're here at the dump, and we're going to follow these people to the scales. So on the scale, they weigh your truck when you come in and your load, and then on the way out, they weigh you and they charge you however the difference, whatever the difference is. There's a scale, and you go across that, they weigh your truck to see how much you have, and then whenever you come back across, they weigh you on that side, and then you pay the difference, whatever the weight is. So most places will make you have a hard hat and a vest, and you can see this one, it's $10 for a hard hat, $10 for a vest if you don't have one. You know, a lot of people think landfills are just big piles of garbage, but they're actually one of the safest places to put waste. Everything here is lined to protect the soil and the groundwater, and the gases are captured to make electricity. When people dump trash in the woods or behind their house, it ends up polluting streams and hurting wildlife. At least in a landfill, it's managed, monitored, and even reused for energy later. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than letting it rot into nature. As I'm unloading this wood, you can see a big machine over there rolling over the trash. That's called a compactor. Its job is to crush and spread out the waste, pressing out the air so everything takes up less space. It's basically packing the landfill tight like a giant trash press. By compacting it, they can fit more waste safely under each layer, then cover it with soil to keep animals and control the odor. It's loud and heavy, but it's what keeps the landfill organized and efficient instead of just a mountain of loose garbage. So enjoy as I take the last couple bits of trash out and throw them on the pile, and we're gonna head out of here.
All done, back to the scales. If you're like a big truck, you go through there and it sprays off your vehicle. Now that you're done, you give them your number and you go back across the scale here. So we're just waiting. Look, someone's bringing their Tesla to the landfill. So you just go back across the scale and they tell you how much you owe. That's it. Well, that was the dump, and I hope you had fun. It costs about $14, $15 to dump all that. So it's reasonable. I mean, it's cheaper than your monthly trash costs. So if you have a dump in your area, I highly recommend taking all your wood and, you know, projects that have bulk trash and taking them to the dump. But we're back on the main road, so we're gonna jump off here. But thanks for watching and have a good one.